की Khubor ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Kakin ho nilai sub-junior jongka Jilla Meghalaya melami khmat dekat Nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School. Kelayora ikan nam Lahduh hak kedan sub-junior under 15 division rang hak lempung ilai 63rd edition Subroto Cup International Football Tournament ajar Khosau. Hari berkala berpinlip no ikan major Dhyan Chand Sports College hak Jilla Uttar Pradesh dalai gol lanot hak je kun final kabelong hak Abu Pratrik Unailat ajar Khosau hak ESC Center Bengaluru. Haba phai shikani ka jiyo khun final ka jingile kai naru basdang jang kelas step kalong ka itanan batang maris dang ka jiyo khun ka Nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School kalio pinki ya ka jar tang ka po minute bat ha ka po lai pasau minute tingma prosper well rentong. Wala ka kinho nila kai major Dhyan Chand Sports College kala persang banyak khun doyam hendai kamshin lala ban pin phai kala namar ka jing tibit jang girang nila kai ka Nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School. Ondolawan sekejap khun hak kelamit ke jingilek kai kelanang kam shongshit di Nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School keliu penki biang ya kejar hak apa sau praminit lingba unami banlam. Dengan ni kejing job ke Nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School keliu khur ya ke kusnam dekat song pisah ke pasau lak tingka dengan ke trofi kat ba ke major Dhyan Chand Sports College ke Belawan Baar keliu khur ya ke kusnam dekat song pisah ke Baar lak lemak ke trofi.
Meghalaya continues to prosper well.
Again, it's Bantalang who switched up to the other side. And this is where they make it difficult for the opposition to comprehend. Here again, they come in from the left. He goes for goal and the goal comes in. 3-0. That is the nail in the coffin, we can say. As Meghalaya score, the crowd gets in on it. And it looks like we're about to crown a champion here.
We have the boys of Team Meghalaya. To select the winners' medal, I would like to invite here with a thunderous applause the boys of Team Meghalaya and accept their medals from our esteemed guests and representatives of our sponsors.
Knee down. All of you. Good. Done. How close are the match?
To be presented to the winner's team. I would like to call upon stage Mr. P.S. Naidu Kopinidi of Central Bank of India to kindly give away the winning check to captain, coach and manager of Team Meghalaya. Now for the most awaited moment of today's prize distribution ceremony. I would like to request our chief guest, Air Marshal Nagesh Khur, to present the Champions Trophy to Nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School, Meghalaya for the Under 15 Sub-Juniors Boys category. Now we welcome the champion team to the center stage to capture this moment in a photograph with our esteemed chief guests, sponsors and senior officers from Headquarters, Training Command and Air Force Sports Control Board.